Hi. Excel is for everyone. When I say Excel is for everyone, I mean Excel is for students, homemaker, businessman, industrialist, professionals, and the CEO and the CFO. As nowadays we are dealing with huge amount of data, but data doesn't speak anything. We want some meaningful information from the data, and Excel is the only tool which can give you the meaningful information from the data. But do you know the art of mastering how to read the data and do analysis with the data? If you're not, then definitely you should join my course on Excel, where I will be taking you from the journey from basic to advanced level. I will be covering all the formulas, functions, tables, pivot tables, charts, dashboard that is required to present the data in a very analytical manner. So I hope you will be excited in joining my class, and I'm excited too in teaching you. So see you in the class. Register for the course if you have not yet. The course begins on 1st October, and we are offering some heavy discount to the participants who are registering before 30th September. So don't think about it, just enroll and learn. Wish you all a happy learning.